Hi guys, I'm Arjun and today we're gonna do something special and unique. We are going to convert plastic to petrol. This sounds nothing special or unique because there are already thousands of videos on internet how to make petrol from plastic or how to convert plastic into fuel. But they are using gas or fuel to heat up the plastic. They are using non-renewable energy to produce non-renewable energy. So what's special and unique about this project is we will experiment for the first time. We will use renewable rays of sun to heat up the plastic in metal container to produce petrol. This world we will have for the first time sustainable way ridding whole world from plastic at the same time producing valuable non-renewable energy. Let's do this and let's see what will happen.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting.
So guys, our setup is ready and this is the metal container in which we put the waste plastic bottle. This pipe from which the vapors passes through this container and condense here. This is the second condenser, and so here I made by myself this curved mirror to focus the sun rays to this metal container to raise its temperature above 400 degrees Celsius. Guys, if you wanted to know how I made this and how effective this parabolic mirror, so comment me below. So guys, I think one mirror isn't enough, so I made two curved mirrors to raise it high temperature. And this is very sunny day, guys, and look at our cameraman with the umbrella. So guys, after 2 hours it's still same and no changes can be seen. We can see some bubbles now. You see, wow, look at the bubbles. Amazing. After waiting a lot, I'm very excited to see how it looks like. Now our petrol is ready, so let's see how it looks like. Wow, look at inside. There is some petrol. I didn't expect, but it's very less. Its smell is very terrible and very different from petrol. It doesn't look like petrol at all, and its color is also very different from petrol. Let's test it with fire and see how flammable is this. So, wow, it's burning. It's burning but not like petrol. It is flammable but not like petrol because it is not refined and have so many impurities. So here we successfully converted plastic to fuel without releasing any toxic gas to the atmosphere. This method is far more energy and cost efficient than the current system of heating plastic with non-renewable gas fuel making it far more eco-friendly and sustainable long term. Guys, there is one question always disappoint me. That is like we have so many technologies and ways to recycle the plastic waste, but still why there is so many plastic in these big landfills and in the oceans? Why? What's the reason behind this, and what could be the solution, guys, to overcome this problem? If you feel inspired by what you see, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to follow my engineering adventure. See you guys.